Open the internet. Search for DirectX Legacy runtimes. Click on Download. Right-click anywhere, move your mouse to New, and select Folder. We can call this DirectX. Run the installer. Click on Yes. Click on Browse and select the folder you created. Click on OK and click on OK again. Open the folder, scroll down and run DX setup. Click on Agree and click on Next. Click on Next again. Now restart your computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.